Sickle cell disease is spiritual?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's totally medical.
Yes.
It's medical.
Yeah.
Is sickle cell disease a communicable disease?
No.
Okay.
It's not.
Okay. Why did you say so, ma'am?
It's not a communicable because it's through blood.
Okay.
Yes, you can't get it from another person. It's blood, so I don't think it's.
Yes. So it is not communicable.
Yeah.
Whether hugging someone, touching someone,
Yeah.
cannot give sickle cell disease. It has to be inherited from the parents.
From the parents.
Welcome to Warriors Inspiration, the #1 channel for sickle cell motivation.
Welcome back to Warriors Inspiration. So today we'll be doing a little interview about sickle cell, and this is to create awareness for sickle cell. Thank you very much, ma'am. Please, what's your name, ma'am?
Miss Edna Kulona.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Ma, do you know what sickle cell disease is?
No, I don't know. I have little idea.
What is the idea about sickle cell disease?
I know that people that have it, they are normally sick.
Okay.
And I know that before you marry as a single,
Yes.
it's good for you to do a test to check your genotype.
Okay.
So that you know the how will I
The
put
right
it? Yeah, the
genotype.
right genotype before you get married, so
Yes.
that it won't cause any damage to your marriage.
Okay.
So that's a little.
Amazing. You have a very good knowledge, ma'am.
Thank you.
So sickle cell disease is an inherited blood disorder that is gotten from both parents. The husband and the wife gives it to the children because they both have S in their genotype. AS marrying AS will give you an SS child because the S from the father and the S from the mother becomes and gives the SS in the child. You understand?
Yes,
So
yes.
it now causes the blood to form in a sickled manner, whereby if the blood clots or comes together in the blood vessel, it causes pain, excruciating pain to the person. So you now know how it is gotten, right?
Yeah.
Do you think sickle cell disease is spiritual?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's totally medical.
Yes.
It's medical.
Yeah.
Is sickle cell disease a communicable disease?
No.
Okay.
It's not.
Okay. Why did you say so, ma'am?
It's not a communicable because it's through blood.
Okay.
Yes, you can't get it from another person. It's blood, so I
Okay.
don't think it's.
Yes. So it is not communicable.
Yeah.
Whether hugging someone, touching someone,
Yeah.
cannot give sickle cell disease. It has to be inherited from the parents.
From the parents,
Yes. So how can sickle cell disease be prevented?
Just as I said, like I said the first time, I said you go for test for your genotype test so that you know your blood group. Sorry, you know your blood group before
Your
genotype.
genotype.
Yes, sorry, before you.
Yeah, man.
You
You're
get
correct.
married.
You're
Yes.
correct. So to prevent sickle cell disease, a genotype test is done, and then only people that are compatible with their genotypes will get married. AS cannot marry AS. SS cannot marry SS. AS cannot marry SS. Only AA can marry any genotype. AA can marry SS. AA can marry AS, and then they would not have a sickle cell child. You understand?
AA can marry
Any
AS.
genotype, yes. AA can marry AS.
Alright.
So, have you heard of sickle cell crisis pain before?
Yeah,
So what is
just a
it?
little.
What is
Like some parents, I have a neighbor that one of the child is a sickler. All the time, their money, their resources, they spend it on their child. They go to the hospital, blood, this. So I think it's a crisis, and there is no joy. There is no joy at all.
So the crisis is the pain, excruciating pain
Yeah.
experienced by sickle cell warriors, and that pain is because the blood has, which is sickled, has clotted or has come together in the blood vessel and is causing pain at that joint or that bone. So, what can you do if someone is in crisis?
You assist, you help, and you advise the person also.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you assist means you have to give them painkillers, pain relievers.
Alright, yeah.
And if you don't have pain relievers, take them to the nearest hospital
Yes.
because the doctors there will know what to do. Can a woman with sickle cell disease give birth?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
They can.
Yes. What is the cure for sickle cell disease?
The care. I think that should be for the doctor. I don't know.
Welcome back to Warriors Inspiration. So today we're finding out what people know generally about sickle cell disease, because this is Sickle Cell Awareness Month. So sir, what do you know about sickle cell disease?
Well, thank you very much. From my own understanding, I understand that sickle cell disease is inherited disease from one partner to another.
Okay. How is it gotten? How is sickle cell disease gotten?
For instance, if you are in a relationship between man and female in terms of marriage, you know,
Yes.
people they do test in terms of this, how do you call it?
Genotype test.
Genotype test.
Okay.
And if your genotype is AA, you will be able to marry a woman that have AS or SS.
Yes.
Or if your wife is SS and you also have a BSS, you will not be able to marry. And if
Okay.
you are AS and your husband is AS, you people didn't match. So
Yes.
it's supposed to be A and AS.
Okay, amazing. You got it correctly.
Okay.
The sickle cell is gotten when two people have the S genotype.
Okay.
So AS and AS should not marry.
Okay.
SS and SS should not marry.
Okay.
But AA can marry any person
Okay.
because they don't have the S genotype. So when one parent carries an S genotype, gives it to another parent, the second parent has an S genotype, gives it to the child. The child now comes out with an SS genotype, which is called sickle cell disease.
Okay.
So the next question is, do you think sickle cell disease is spiritual?
No. Sickle cell disease is not a spiritual something. It's a natural something.
Okay.
By God, the way God created it.
Thank you very much. It's actually not spiritual. It's medical. Thank you. Do you think sickle cell disease is a communicable disease?
No, it's not. It's not a transfer disease.
Okay. So it's actually inherited. It's not
Inherited,
communicable.
yes. Yeah.
You're correct. You're correct, sir. Now, how can sickle cell disease be prevented?
Well. Can I put it in such way that some people will understand it? We
Okay.
have to be very conscious of the kind of relationship we are going into in terms of marriage.
Okay.
Before you want to marry, people have to do tests, go to the hospital, do tests so that you will know your genotype before you got into marriage, so that you will be avoid it.
Yes. So that's how to prevent. To prevent sickle cell disease, you have to do a genotype test,
Yeah.
and then make sure you are compatible with the
Yeah.
partner you're about to marry. So
Yeah.
that's how to prevent sickle cell disease. Thank you very much. Okay. Have you heard of sickle cell crisis? Have you heard of sickle cell crisis?
Well, actually, I've never had experience about it.
Okay.
Because in my family, I've never seen this sort before, but I'm hearing it.
Okay. So crisis in sickle cell, crisis pain in sickle cell is when the person that has sickle cell experiences an excruciating pain, a level of pain that some people can say it's indescribable, because the blood, the genotype they have now is SS, and it now makes the red blood cell to be sickled. So when it wants to pass through the blood vessels, it can get blocked, and then when it's blocked, it causes pain. So sickle cell crisis is a pain that experienced probably in the joints, in the bones of people that have sickle cell. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank God.
What can you do if someone is in crisis? So I know you said you've not had someone that's
Yeah, I've never had an experience before.
okay. So, but what can you do if someone is in crisis? If someone that
To make the person feel better, talk to the person, advise the person in such a way that the person, will have at least a stable mind of
okay. So the first thing to do is actually to give the person pain relievers if you have pain relievers.
Okay.
But if you don't have pain relievers, take the person to the nearest hospital.
Okay.
Yes, that would be the best thing to do. Take the person to the hospital. So that would be best approach to someone that has sickle cell. My second to last question is: can women with sickle cell disease give birth to children?
Yeah, they can give birth to children.
Okay, amazing. You're correct. People with sickle cell disease can give birth to children. So what is the cure for sickle cell disease? That's my last question.
No, it's not my field, so actually I can't tell.
Okay, I like that. The cure for sickle cell disease is actually called bone marrow transplant, stem cell transplant. So they will do a stem